Hey friends, welcome back to Just a Little Homestead. My name is Wilma. If you're new here, welcome. What I'm about to show you is a bit crazy. You're gonna see, but you're gonna see why I did what I did. I know I said on the last video that I was done, or I thought I was done getting seeds, but you know me, I have a seed problem. But I went to the Dollar Tree and they had their seeds for 15 cents each. So as a person, any person would, I bought 100 packs. You're about to see all of them. So that was only $15 for 100 packs at 15 cents each. Now you know why I did it. Anybody would have done the same thing. You're about to see everything that we just bought. So let's take a look. Okay, the Dollar Tree is seriously not helping with my seed addiction. They're not. Because look at this. I have a couple up here because they didn't fit down here. Look at all of these seeds, 15 cents each. Now you should run to your Dollar Tree and see if they still have any, because they were selling out very quickly. Look at all of these, so many. This was an awesome deal. I could not pass it up. I don't think anybody would pass this up. And I did go a bit crazy with the sugar snap peas, of course. We got quite a bit here. Let me see, how many did we get? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 sugar snap peas. I think I'm good with sugar snap peas. I don't think I'm going to run out anytime soon. We got one Cherokee wax bush bean. We got one thyme. We have 1, 2, 3 of the Waltham butternut winter squash. And then one beefsteak tomato. This one and this one were the only tomatoes that I could find. They were completely out of tomatoes. So I got one red cherry tomato and then one beefsteak. That was all. I was lucky to find that. And then we have a Grand Rapids lettuce, just one of these. And then one Swiss chard, mixed colors. I could only find one of these also. And then down here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the butternut. I'm sorry, butter crunch lettuce. This was the butternut. This is butter crunch lettuce. So we got 4 of these. We have 2 California Wonder sweet bell peppers. And then we have 1, 2, 3 white Lisbon bunching onion. 3 of those. We have 1 Corenta hybrid spinach. We have 2 iceberg lettuce, which you just saw on the last video, but we got more. And then down here, we have 2 early golden acre cabbage. And then a Genovese basil, just one. That's all I could find. And then we have 3 early summer crookneck. This squash was actually in our Dollar Tree experiment that we did this past season. This did grow very, very well. This one and the In My Gardener, I think, was the only ones. No, was it In My Gardener or Botanical Interest? One of those. Those were the only 2 that actually survived. Everything else died. But then the vine borer bugs got these and killed it off. So I didn't have anything from the experiment. And then we have 3 Bloomsdale longstanding spinach, 1 early golden bantam sweet corn, the only corn I could find. And then here, 3, 4, 5, 6, Alaska pea. And then down here, we have 1 sweet Italian basil. Okay, where was I? Sorry, I had to fix the camera because it kept going everywhere and I was holding it very weirdly. So sorry about that. So we just saw the sweet Italian basil. And then we have 1, 2, 3 national pickling cucumber, 1 Black Beauty eggplant, the only one I found there. We have here 2 kale, the dwarf blue curled. I wonder if I can put that in a hydroponic since it says dwarf. I might do that. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black seeded Simpson lettuce, which I actually have growing right now in my hydroponic. And then we have 4 Paris Island Cost romaine. We actually had this in the last video also. I ordered one of these from Emma Gardner. Contender bush bean. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. And then we have 3 little marble peas. We have 2 Blue Lake 156. I wonder if this is supposed to be their bush, because this one here is also a Blue Lake, but it says pole. Blue Lake stringless pole. And we have 2 of these. So I wonder if this is like their bush variety, even though it doesn't say bush. I'll have to look into that. Down here, we have cucumber, 2 straight 8s. We have 3 summer squash dark green zucchini. I cannot wait to have some zucchini and squash actually growing without the bugs killing them off. Cannot wait. Here we have tender green improved bush bean, 1 Market More 76 cucumber, and then we have 1 French fillet bean, green bean, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 carrots. They are red cord châtaignier. Did I say that right? Chantenay. I'm probably slaughtering that word, sorry. And then 4 Scarlet Nantes carrots. We actually grew this past season. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Danvers 126 carrot. I don't remember if I have that already, if that's one of the ones I grew. I think I grew like 2 or 3 different varieties this past year. I don't remember what they were. I know Scarlet Nantes was one, but the other one I don't remember. And this is everything. 100 packs. And they're normally 3 for $1.50. See that? And 15 cents each. This was incredible. As soon as I found out about that deal, I ran, literally ran to the closest Dollar Tree to me. And it looked like a little disaster zone in there because everybody was already picking through it, taking almost everything. I'm very lucky to have gotten what I did get. And only 2 tomatoes. Tomatoes and jalapenos are probably my favorite thing to grow, and I only got 2 from there. Okay, friends, that's all of them. Hopefully, my last order wasn't even an order. This was just me running to the store and getting them. But I mean, come on, 15 cents each. You need to get out to the store and figure out if there's any left. And if there are, grab as many as you can because that is a fabulous deal and it's not going to come back again until next year. We're ready at the end of the year, so now everybody's getting rid of all of their 2026 stuff. That's what I just did. So I'm still waiting for In My Gardener to have their half off. Right now they're at 40%. Last year I got so many when they had everything for $1. So I'm keeping a lookout for that. So we'll see if I come back with another order from them for that. It might be a couple months from now because I don't remember when they actually start that. I think that's probably October, November. I'm not sure, but we'll see. But thanks again for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of the day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, everybody.